Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is the most beautiful Himalayan salt lamp I have ever seen.
I have been wanting a Himalayan salt lamp for so long, and this hand carved moon salt lamp from Diaplom is so beautiful. Now, they recommend placing it on top of a plate or a bowl because it is actual Himalayan pink salt, so it will sweat and condensate. And I think it just looks so beautiful. It comes with two light bulbs for it, and it goes right up inside the carved moon, and it is just the most gorgeous, soft light. The lighting is adjustable, so you can make this very, very bright or dim, and it is just the perfect, most relaxing thing.
I'm really just so obsessed with this salt lamp. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and I would recommend it to anyone. And that's my point of view.